Today's lesson is all about how learning English can make your life better. Who here has ever watched a movie or listened to music in English?
Sir, I watch movies in English all the time. But sometimes I don't understand everything.
That's okay, Nusrat. The more you listen and practice, the easier it becomes. You see, English is everywhere. From movies to news, from books to social media, it's the language that connects people across the world. Let me tell you something important. Imagine you're traveling abroad. How would you ask for directions, order food, or make new friends if you didn't know English? Knowing English makes life much easier. It helps you navigate situations like these and communicate effectively. Whether you're at the airport or a cafe, English is the key.
So, if I go to another country, I can speak to anyone in English.
Yes, Nusrat. People from all over the world use English to communicate with each other. It's like a bridge that connects us all. You may have noticed that a lot of your textbooks, assignments, and even exams are in English. But why is that? Many of the world's top universities and academic resources use English. If you want to pursue higher education in another country, knowing English will make your academic journey much smoother.
So, if I want to study in a foreign university, I should be fluent in English.
Absolutely. Fluency in English opens doors to many opportunities in education. Plus, you can learn from the best scholars and professors in the world. Now let's talk about careers. Many businesses today, both big and small, use English as their main language for communication. Whether it's in an office meeting or a job interview, knowing English will give you an edge.
Sir, does knowing English help you get a good job?
Yes, Nusrat. Many global companies look for employees who can communicate well in English. It's not just about speaking, but also understanding emails, reports, and presentations. English makes you more marketable in the job world. Learning English doesn't just help you in academics or your career, it also lets you make friends from different cultures. Imagine being able to speak with people from all over the world, understanding their ideas, and sharing your own.
So, English helps us make friends from different countries?
Yes! It's the language of global communication. You can discuss ideas, share experiences, and even collaborate on projects with people from various backgrounds. And here's something else. Learning English also boosts your confidence. The more you practice speaking, the more comfortable you will become. You'll no longer feel afraid to speak up in class, at work, or in any situation.
But sometimes, I'm afraid of making mistakes when speaking English.
It's okay, Nusrat. Mistakes are part of learning. Every time you make one, you learn something new. The important thing is to keep practicing and not give up. Every step forward counts. You see, learning English isn't just about speaking a language. It's about shaping your future. Whether you dream of becoming a doctor, teacher, or entrepreneur, English will be there to help you along the way.
I want to be a scientist one day. I'll keep learning English to make that happen.
That's the spirit, Nusrat. Keep your eyes on the future. English will be your ally as you make your dreams come true.